Meet Steve and Joe, two best friends who love collecting cards. You name it, they collect it. But collections are expensive and tough to complete, so they store the cards together in a single shared binder. The guys have a problem though. After years of trading, they've begun to fight over ownership, and the prized collection is on the verge of falling apart. Their original system of colored stickers isn't working. The stickers aren't permanent, and they're easy to alter when the other isn't looking. The guys need a solution, and they need it fast. Steve suggests blockchain, where, instead of a single ledger, each friend would have their own copy. With blockchain, all of the existing cards could be digitized and represented electronically. They would just need to resolve their ownership dispute before proceeding. Steve and Joe quickly reach an agreement. These guys are best friends after all. So how does it work? Asks Joe. Steve explains they can use a piece of software called a smart contract to interact with the ledger. With some basic information about the card and owner, the smart contract can automatically create digital versions of the cards. And in no time, Steve and Joe will each have their own copy of a shared ledger. Steve proceeds to tell Joe they can also leverage digital currencies to purchase cards from vendors on the blockchain. A whole new world of cards is right at their fingertips. Now, when one friend adds to the collection, the other's ledger will automatically be updated with the asset and proof of ownership. Joe is nearly convinced, but he has one final question. What's to stop one of them from secretly modifying the ledger? After all, they've been through this before. Steve explains that blockchain is cryptographically secure. A combination of hash linking and digital signatures protects the integrity of their ledgers and renders them immutable. Neither friend can alter the history of a card once it has been recorded on the blockchain. The system, says Steve, is tamper-proof by nature. The days of arguing about ownership are a thing of the past, and the two can focus on what really matters: collecting cards and trading with confidence.